Welcome back everybody to Fairtale City. In the last playthrough, we have another name. We don't know what it means, and we saw the eye, the scribbled, distorted eye again, and he looks at it and he don't know what it means. So we are going to find out without further ado. Let's continue the gameplay, the let's play. What should I do? The register speaks. It's like brand new now. Oh, nice. Oh, by the way, gotta say thanks to Hero. He was the one who carried that heavy as a register. Don't know why exactly, but he listens to everything I say. Pretty handy. That okay. For thumbnail. Gonna cut out that. Hey kid, what? Eh, what kid? Don't give me that look. Just cause it's raining, yeah? Oh, that rain pisses me off. It's all damp. My hair's gonna get messed up. We can fight. Can I fight? Rain? Wanna go right now? Rain on. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. There's something written. Okay. Picky. See bottom flower. Okay. Good day. There's a little something I want pick for me. Help me out if you have time. Details harvest a flower on the seafloor. Okay. Should I take this request? Of course. Okay. First, I'll go ask him for the details. Maybe he's in the Mushrooms Plaza. Quick. Yes, hello. I'm Michibiki, the manager of this Mushrooms. Your business, please. The bulletin board. Ah, I see. So you answered the call. Thank you very much. Well, let's see. Like I wrote on the bulletin board, there's something I want you to pick for me. It's a flower called the Omibasho. Forget the meaning. Which only grows on the seafloor on rainy days. Could I ask you to do that? I believe you could find it growing somewhere in Deep Sea City. Thank you. Omibasho. So seafloor. So because of the word city. Oh, this one. No. There's a dump in the sand. I'll dig it up. With a small rake. Okay, nice. I can do that. That's a nice detail. Small rake again. Oh, nice. Wait, why are you here, Mitch Picky? Oh, okay. Deep sea floor. So this one. Okay. Okay. There you go. It's a very pretty flower. Is this the omibasho? Of course. Oh, Oh, let's go for now. Bakers, it's befitting for you. What? Okay, 25,000 yen. Wait, so Umibasho was the source? I take it. Okay, maybe. Pigurahawa City, did you find an Umibasho? Yes. Handed over the Umibasho. Wow, yes. Yes, you said thank you so much. It's pretty. Does cause some slight hallucinations when you touch it. Was it alright? Huh? I need this one? If you dry and powderize the petals of an omibasho, it can be used to make an amazing medicine. Wonderful, isn't it? If you drink said medicine before bed, you can stay warm and sleep while the nights are chilly. Oh, of course, here's your reward. Not much of note, I'm afraid. Omen. I'm glad I can ensure sound sleep with this. Thank you very much. Okay. So, oh, that was ugly. Scarf is far more fine. Oof. Good morning. It's raining today. Today I made some new sweets. Would you try them? On rainy days, cookies get tough quickly. I don't like them very much. Oh, well, I guess there are cookies that are tastier than. Yeah, I will. Oh, thank you there. These are the three sweets I recommend today. Yokan, Zeri, Tarto. Yokan. Ugh. Not here today. I will talk to the. Hmm. Oh, where? Oh, good morning. It seems it's rain, unfortunate, but let's stage 3 Oh, this will be yours. Okay. Yeah. What trigger should I do for it? This one? Oh, no, Pigola. Pigura. Morning. Would you like to have one of my special drinks non-alcoholic, of course? Hey, I love rainy days, so I'm full of merriness too today, lending an ear to the sound of dripping rain and holding a glass as how romantic. And my echoing voice to top it off. Yeah, go for it, Yamika. Your voice is so beautiful. mm. Okay. Yeah, not gonna comment on that. Oh, by the way, okay. I know. Already. Oh, I already do. They did something. Let's chat. Let's chat. Okay. It's no good at all. My skin simply can't take anything but seaweed skincare anymore. Except they say they're not making any more of it. Hata ka na. Oh, what a conundrum. Oof. What road should I do next? Where's Sanado? Okay. Hey Pigal, there's quite an air of elegance to these rainy streets. Now then, what can I do for you today? It's not as refined an air as may have. Moisture is enemy to books and hair. One must be extra careful today. Nevertheless, reading while listening to the rain is exceptional. It must rain sometimes indeed. Oh, this is Sana. Hello, Pigola. Welcome to Big Bigay Communities. What am I doing? I have work off today. Sorry, it's a habit. Libraries have quite unique sort of smell to them. The smell of old books, perhaps. Being surrounded by this smell somehow makes me like I'm a part of the library. Alright. I see. So the opinions on offensive jars differ much between art and science. How interesting. Excuse me, what do you want? Chat. Pingula, are you familiar with the other world? I've been there once. It was a very scary place. It looks like the town I know, but it's totally different. Commonality between people who encounter this other world is that they frequently use the mash roads. Just keep it in mind, stay calm if you're suddenly taken to some unknown place. Thank you very much on that. That didn't help much. Welcome Pigola, thank you for stopping by. What will it be today? I recommend our rainy day exclusive, the hot cocoa. Perfect for the cold. Oh, Pigola, do you like the rain? Haha, I see. I used to hate it myself once, the dampness, the smell. Not so much anymore though. I wonder when I change my mind. I can't seem to remember. How strange. Yeesh. Hey kid, morning. It's raining, dripping and dropping. So what it be today? I came to buy. Let's jump. Wonder if it's gonna start pouring down more. Wonder if it's gonna pour so much it's a problem. Rain. If it's gonna rain, it's gonna go harder than that. Than that to satisfy me just for a short time. Gahaha. Okay. So what should I do today? I will try to talk to Mermek. Hey there Fairer. I call up from further that name without hesitation. So did you need something from this ocean? Veteran and maid, as many women cry as there are stars fishy. Let's check. Seems like you've gotten pretty used to the flower pressure here, huh? Huh? Yeah, water pressure. Water pressure. We're underwater, so obviously that's a thing. Yeah? Alright. It's Chinoko, I think so. Oh, it's you. Well met. Just earlier, I finished a new doc. It's called a transform drug. I'm often told to I have no sense of for naming, but what can you do? Okay. Oh, comment on that. Yeesh. Hello, I'm a very okay. The doctor is overflowing with talent, but he has no desires. Of course, there are good things about that too. But speaking personally, life would be easier if he made more money. I think so. Then I'm Coleman. Have your time, Coleman. Well, goodbye. He is hallucinating. Think so. Nothing much here though. Okay. Oh. Mitsubishi is still here though. Eh. Hello. Hello, associate Mitsubishi. I'm Mitsubishi. Okay. Oh, rainy days are nice, all dark and damp and calming. Oh, not to worry. I'm fully waterproof, no problem if I get drenched. Okay. Mm. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay. Who am I going to trigger next? I'm asking you, where did Karakuro go? Where did he go? Man, you've been shouting all morning. The neighbors are gonna complain. But it really strange for him to just go off somewhere without a word. Like something have happened. Like what? Like what do you mean? You don't mean like kidnapping? No way. Couldn't be that reason. There'd be no reason. Besides, Dokta and Helpa are out looking for him. It'll be fine. Maybe. Oh, look, everyone, a customer. Let's just focus on selling veggies for now. Okay, we need your intel. Hi, I'm Celerin. Serarin. Here's today's vegetable for today. How's it go? It's like refreshing bitterness or a stinging sour with bitterness, a bitter veggie. Anyway, you cut it. It's got nutrition at least. It's 100 yen for a bundle. How about it? Going to buy? No, I am a customer. You got a second? Well, as you can see, we can take one step out of here. So, if you see that kid anywhere, you gotta tell him to come back as soon as possible. We're so worried. All we can do is sell these vegetables until he comes back. But please do this for us. We'll give discounts. Of course, I can. Let's find our good friend here. Let's talk to the bird brain first. Oh, Karokoro has gone missing. What? That's very alarming. Come to think of it, when I spoke to him before, he seemed highly interested in Groove Club Village. Perhaps he's going to visit there. Ho ho. Okay. Hope Gula. Morning. Would you like to have one of my special drinks? Non-alcoholic, of course. Looking for Koro, Han? Wait, he's not around. Oh dear, did he run away from home? Now that I think about it, he does have very lonely. He does have a lonely look sometimes. I wonder if there's a connection. Okay, thank you very much. Rona, morning Pigola. I hate rainy days. My hair is all still. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. So what do you want? Wah, Karakoros gone missing. That's awful. Has the culprit called? Given a ransom? Not yet. They must be a prudent type. Huh? It's not necessarily a kidnapping. Right. Okay, but I'm still worried. Where'd he go? Okay. There's a note on the door. Due to certain circumstances, we will not be offering any examinations today. Thank you for your understanding. Oh, sheesh. That kid, huh? What's up, kid? You look very rattled. Something the matter? That greengrocer kid's missing? Oh, I see. So that's why the hospital's closed. In that case, I doubt I can help you. Sorry, I never talk much with that kid. Let's trigger all of it. Hey kid, morning. It's raining, dripping and dropping. So what it be today? So what? The greengrocer kid? When that happened? Maybe he ran away from home. Things are rough at his age. But I just have a feeling that it I gotta say something. Sometimes there's times I think I gonna say I gonna so such and such place, like excessively so. For me, the such place is the cliff on the plaza. On the plaza, wonder if that kid's got a place like that. Okay, okay. Karakoro went off somewhere. Sorry, I don't really have any ideas. And it's raining. I hope he doesn't catch a cold. Okay. Okay. Hey kid, don't give me that. What kid? Don't give me that look just cause it's raining, yeah? Huh? The gang crosses Jids. Come on. What's that about? Huh? I get it. So that's why you are running around desperately in the rain to find your missing body. I was wrong about you, kid. This makes me among men. Get it, man. Hey, Picola. Okay. That's right, I heard. So Karakoro has gone missing. His friends at the shop must be worried over him as well. I hope he's alright. Dokta and Helpa are also particularly kind to Karakoro, so they must be distressed too. Okay, Karakoro. How strange. He always tells the others at the shop when he's going somewhere. If he's not, if he's not in further, there must be, he must be lost somewhere. The world of the mushrooms is large. Perhaps Mitsubishi may know something about where he went, seeing as he's always there. Okay. Karakuro, I'm very sorry, but it's not like I know everyone in this town. But it's not really ringing a bell, so I don't think I'll be able to help. I'm sorry. Okay. Dear Lord. Oh yes, Doctor and Helpa came over a bit earlier. The two of them were together with him even last night. They seemed very shocked. They told me they would first search in Grove Club Village. Evidently, Karakuro has often gone there to play. Okay. Let's talk to Michibiki. Hello, as always, Oh dear, what is it? You're running around even more excessive than the usual, trying to build up stamina. Ah, that boy, true. Given my work, I know who's gone where. But I can't quite say sorry. Very sorry. This is his problem, you see. Yes, well, I won't stop you from looking though. Oh, you're no help, Mr. Michibiki. Let's talk to the chairman. Chairwoman. Hello, how do you do, little big guy? You need something from... Okay, I don't care. A boy with a white head? Ah, him? Yes, I'm familiar with who you mean. He came here this morning. He came seeking my permission to pick up a member of the group club, and he was indeed. He had the qualification to join this club. I can't quite explain concretely what the standards are, however, I just know as soon as I see it. Once recognized as a member, he promptly went up to the member exclusive secret place. Perhaps he's there. Huh? Let you in? My, I can't do that. Did I not say so? Only members are allowed in. Please give up. Thanks. God damn it. Ah, dear. Karakuro. What? You wanna join? Haha, you got no chance. It's not hard effort that you need to get into our club. You need to be fated to join. Jerome has an eye for people who possess that faith. The people here just call it qualifications though. Yeesh. Hello, good evening. Congratulations. Okay, I don't care. Be quiet, I told you I gave up. Okay, some leader friends found this. Okay. Speaking of potion, I heard that on the news that Dr. Maddox in Deep Sea City made a new potion. I think it's called Transform Drug. Awesome, right? I can tell you that. But is it? But it is without an explanation. Okay, that was nonsense. Ah, Pigula. I see you have come to look for Karakuro. Thank you very much. We've gone searching in all sorts of places, but he's nowhere to be found. The only place I can think of we haven't gone is the secret place in the back of this village that they will only let members of the group club in there. What's more, simply they won't allow us to join. They won't allow us to join to their club. It's outrageous. Someone is missing. Do these people have no feelings? I know, doctor. How about I inject them with all sorts of sleeping medicine they could use a nap? Help a calm down. As medical professionals, we cannot do that. But this is very troublesome. What can we possibly do? Okay, let's try her. Oh, it's you. I thought I could sort of see your silhouette from the fountain. By the way, was that circuit code I gave you yesterday useful? See, after that, the person who lost the cord came here with a friend to look for it. I growled, leave or I'll flood your house. In my best death metal voice when they went right home. But I felt a little guilty. Okay. Wanna fly in the sky? S- Oh, no deep reason for it. I think everyone's probably thinks something like that once, right? Anyone who's never thought, I don't think we could be friends if possible, would want them to ever enter my side. Okay, that was oh, you've got sharp eyes. You found me way in the corner here. But only members are allowed to go to the secret place up ahead. So sorry. Huh? A boy with the white head is gone missing? Highly likely that he's here. Huh? I see. But that doesn't mean anything to me. Just give up. Even if that boy is put in danger here, he came of his own will. So what does it matter really? Dude, that was heartless. So, how do you live? German. That's a no. To join our club, you need certain qualifications, you see. If you are a member, you could go to the... Oh, okay. The same. Okay. Okay, the same. Hmm. How true was asking out of Tip City earlier as well. And it does seem he hasn't gone there. All that could be left that's accessible to him is that secret place. Oh, should I have done something terrible? Last night I told him about the secret place. I forget it all the time since all the members can go in. But why? He said he had qualifications or whatnot to become a member. What does it mean? What does that mean? Yeesh, that's your fault. Okay. Today I'm calling text. Coleman this has been Coleman. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's you. That hospital dude came by and asked a bunch of questions. That kid hasn't come to Deep Sea City much at all. Couldn't answer a single thing. It appears they already went to Grove Club Village as well, but they found no clues. They were quite downcast. Well, let's see. Can't be sure, right? Cause the guys that in that village, they've got secrets that you need to be a member to know, see? And apparently there's a place you're gonna be a member to enter, but he's hiding there. Maybe he's hiding there, huh? Well, you can't deny that. Hey, you there? Could you take this? It's a new version I've been said. It works immediately. Doctor, that's your new medicine. So you already finished it? Yeah, it's called Transform Drug. Like the name says, it lets you transform into whatever form you want. Way to go, Doctor, huh? If you use that potion, you can disguise yourself as a member and get into that secret place. Well, it's not very commendable approach. Hope you find your friend. Thank you very much. Let's see first. Okay. Oh, okay. Ah, no, 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 no. Wait, where's it? There you go. Ah, remember, what do you want from me? Forgot where the secret place was? Oh dear, that's no good. The entrance to it is around the top left of this village where all those trees are growing. If you're praying to the tree, ensure you aren't rude. Well, adieu. Okay, let's talk to the doctors first. What do you want, Mr. Member? Okay. I'm very sorry, but I'm not on duty right now. Okay, they didn't know. Let's do it. Let's do undercover infiltration to the secret place they called. Oh, a fellow member, you want to go to the secret place? But I can shake the feeling that there's something wrong here. Are you really a member? I'm a member. Ah, really? Wow. Yeah, okay. Okay, go ahead. It's a straight shot to the tree. So I doubt you'll get lost. Straight shot, huh? Wow. Mitch Wiki again. You're here. Why am I hallucinating? Peaceful, so very peaceful. Lift up my body, tighten my neck, so peaceful. Three, three, swing, swing, three, swing. Head heavy, but it's okay. Getting light soon. Thank you so much for the help. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm going back to mom's tummy. It hurts so too much, so I'm going back. Even if I go away, no one will be bothered, so that's what I'm doing. Oh dear. Okay. Trigger warning to everybody. Sorry. Sorry I've shown you this. Whew. Caracoles collapse here. Call to him. Oh. Pig. This place scary and heavy. Wanna go home? Where am I? I'm nowhere. Izanai. Go on. Remember. You heard this heavy, isn't it? Isn't it so heavy? Go on. Remember. Okay. I'll take you right there. Let's go together. To a much darker, bloodier, sadder, lonelier place. Oh dear. That's a trigger warning to everybody. The plates beside the door reads Satoshi Ando. The plate beside the door reads Jun Sao Tome. The plate beside the door reads Rin Hasekawa. Oh, so they are inhabitants of the village, I think. By Karokoro. This is a trigger warning. His friend unalive himself. Oh dear, so he remembered. I was a step too late. And he doesn't seem to feel like staying. Oh well, then. Pigola, I'm terribly sorry after you went through all this, but leave the rest to me, alright? And please forget about today and this fellow. Now I send you home. No, it's just one of my services. Don't pay it on any mind. Is a nice so another person or another personality? Huh? What was I just doing? I can't remember, but I feel like I slept a long time. Yeesh. Ex doctor, head doctor at Hivo Hospital. The townspeople trust him due to his calm personality and care skill. Age 30. Okay, I can't read that. Helpa. The nurse The nurse at Hivo Hospital likes giving painful shots more than anything, but a kind lady at heart, very affectionate with Doctor. 5 age. Woo! Cannot rebel, but sana a lady working at Big Eye Community Center, kind and focused, but sort of a worrier. She's always worried about her sister Luna. Gemini, a quiet girl who runs a sweet shop called Sweet Gemini, rather withdrawn, so her voice is very quiet. Her sweets on the other hand have lots of value. Jekyll, his full name is Gertrude Jekyll. He creates and repairs various of tools at his shop underground, blunt and short-tempered, but surprisingly caring. 5'11", age 20. Okay, this is the thumbnail. Why there is blood in my house? My head kind of hurts. I'll sleep for today. Well then, this is the end of the video. I cannot explain this, but this it was a trigger. I will say a trigger warning again, so I know I'm broken. I sound like a broken record, but trigger warning to some people. And thank you for watching, and goodbye, and God bless everybody. Have a rest. Have an awesome day ahead, everybody.